Alright, in this screencast, I'm going to teach you how to use the Read Write Think Timeline app. So if you Google Read Write Think Timeline, odds are I probably already have the URL waiting on you on Actively Learn. Just in case you would Google Read Write Think Timeline. Anyhow, once you get here, you're going to click where it says Get Started, of course. And if you would maximize the screen, and where it says your name, don't be too creative, just put your name. And for the title, this is the first time we're doing it. It will be Friday, it will be House Day, and our person of interest, our title will be Andrew Jackson, and we'll go to start. Okay, this is not hard by any stretch of the imagination. You will go. Here's your timeline, and so the first thing we could do is, I think my expectations require 5 events in the person's life. Okay, so what you would do, and I'm just going to use this as an example, would be his birthday. So if you would click that, that would obviously go first, and the label could be born, and then you could put his date of birth, where it says short description. As far as choose image goes, I do want an image, unless you're having trouble with your computer. And if you're having trouble with your computer, I'm gonna have to get you another computer, because I do want an image for every aspect of your timeline. I do want a short paragraph for short description. For the full description, it says this appears in the printout only. I'm not worried about you doing this right here, because I want to be able to look at it instead of printing it out and be like, bam, this person knows what they're talking about. But for a choose image, obviously you'll go to choose image, and then whatever, as long as you have Googled an image on Andrew Jackson when he was born, or you just Google baby, well, I mean, just something, just be creative with it, have fun with it. And then once you have your picture, you'll go to, you will select that. You'll press the check mark, and so we got his birth date, and then we could skip ahead in his life a little bit. You could talk about other events that happened in his life as well, please, such as, especially while he was president. You could also include his time in the War of 1812, and while in the War of 1812 he was a soldier, blah blah blah. And then you could Google War of 1812, etc. Here's what I want you to do, though. Don't use any examples that I've already used. So don't use his birthday. Don't use War of 1812, because I want you to do research on your own. Once you have all that, and you got War of 1812, and yours will look better than mine, because yours will have a picture. The only reason why I'm not doing a picture right now is because I'm using an Apple computer, and the Apple computer will look different from your computer. Just like with the trading cards, you'll go to Finish, and then you're going to go to Send Final. Alright, PDF is already there. And don't forget my email, danielnorwood@richmond.k12.nc.us. Press Send, and then I'll have it. And whenever I have it, I'll come by and check your paper and give you those points. All right, that is the screencast for today.